Guys, get ready to witness the clash of expectations and reality as we dive into the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 5. In the world of cutting-edge smartphones, anticipation runs high, and today we are here to unveil the truth. But before that, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Guys, as you know, the Galaxy Z Fold series might not have the best phone cameras, but that is not what it is going for. No, the Z Fold is meant to be multitasking powerhouse, which is why it has a set of 3 cameras on its back and 2 selfie shooters on the cover and main display. But this time there were some wild rumors saying that the next Z Fold from Samsung would come with bigger 108 megapixel main sensor. Unfortunately, judging by what leakers have been saying lately, that rumor will likely turn out false. Instead, we expect to see the same 50 megapixel but with a new sensor that produces better image quality and sports new camera features. The telephoto and ultra-wide cameras are not said to receive any changes, although some of the rumors about new sensors are quite unclear regarding how many and which cameras might get one. So we might see more than one shooter get a sensor upgrade. Lastly, regarding the selfie snapper on the cover display, there has been some word hunting at potential upgrade to slightly higher megapixel count. So Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will include 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto lens as well. Guys, according to leaks, Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy Z Fold 5 alongside its more affordable sibling, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, during sometime in July. Also, fun fact, this might be the first such announcement the company will make in its own home country, Seoul. So what do you think about it? Please let me know in the comment box below, and at the last, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.